Hello. Simplifying rational expressions was the focus of our previous video lesson. This skill relies heavily upon your ability to factor polynomial expressions. I mentioned in that video that after we simplify rational expressions, we would begin to perform operations on rational functions. This is the first video lesson and will focus on multiplication. There will be two more videos that focus on multiplication as well. Pause this video right now and try the opener. And in just a minute, I'll go over how to complete a problem that looks like this. Okay, let's discuss how to multiply these two rational expressions. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to find the product of the numerators, and then we're going to find the product of the denominators, and we're going to look for any common factors that we can divide out that are shared by the numerator and the denominator. So let's go ahead and take care of that right now. So I'm going to multiply the numerators together, and we're going to get 8 times 7, which is 56. And then we're going to get x cubed times x squared, which is going to be x to the 7th power. And then y times y to the 3rd is y to the 4th power. So that's the product of multiplying two numerators together. And then we're going to multiply the denominators together. So 4 times 2 is 8. X doesn't have anything to multiply it together, so we'll get x by itself, and then y squared times y is y cubed. Okay, so now that we have this product, we're going to attempt to divide out any common factors that we see. So 56 divided by 8 is 7. X to the 7th divided by x is x to the 6th. And then y to the 4th divided by y cubed is just y to the 1st power. So we actually end up with a pretty nice expression at the end. So 7x to the 6th, y to the 1st would be our final answer if we multiply these two rational expressions together. You also have the option at the beginning, if you noticed any common factors amongst each of the terms. So again, if you wanted to simplify any common factors out of this first expression, you could do that first, or the second expression as well. You have the option to do that if you'd like to, if you're more comfortable doing it that way. This next page just kind of gives you a breakdown of what we just went over. Again, it says the rule for multiplying rational expressions is the same as the rule for multiplying numerical fractions. Multiply numerators, multiply denominators, and write the new fraction in simplified form, which is exactly what we did. The next couple of examples that we're going to look at are going to focus more on rational expressions that contain polynomials with multiple terms in the numerator and denominator, and how we multiply those expressions together. See you in the next one.